The ultimate goal is to continue learning and improving your animation skills forever. And to make this into a sustainable source of income is a lot easier than you think. All we have to do is design products that result from studying animation. In fact, these motion profiles might make an excellent t-shirt, mug. In fact, if I made an excellent motion profile, it would really go nice right up there. I can highly recommend teaching. It's my passion. It's my main source of income. Another product that can result from your study of animation is merchandise. Remember, teaching tutorials and merchandise or selling t-shirts is not your main job. Your main job is to continue learning and improving your animation skills. These are the result of studying animation, things like run cycles. We're going to animate these all of the time. These notes that we take, are they just going to sit and collect dust in our visual library? No, they aren't. We're going to monetize them. How? There are companies out there that if we're willing to forfeit a percentage of our profit, they will manufacture our t-shirts and even fulfill the shipments to our customers. Today's sponsor is Printull. Let's make an account. And when we do, we're going to be presented with a few questions. Our main goal is to sell online because we're monetizing our animation studies. So do I have an online store? Probably not at this point. Let's do home and living goods. So to start earning from learning, the first step is to design your product. Next, you'll connect to a store, publish your products on the store, and then set up billing. So let's start by designing our product. So this is suggesting us products that will fit what we want. I mean, we're not doing painting, so I think the matte paper might be best. We can start by dropping our design by uploading an image just by clicking right here. So let me see what I have actually, because I'm curious if this is just made to be a t-shirt. All right, that should do. Let's export it with a transparent background so it can conform to whatever color our printout is. Nice, so that looks a lot better than I thought it did. Part of your design for this layer is outside printed area. Okay, so let's, oh, I see. Nice, let's scale it so it fits. There we go, okay, good. And I think that's it. Let's just hit save template. Before we move on, I want to find a high quality boxy fit t-shirt, you know, something you can relax in. Search this and see what we get. The shoulders have to look just right. Let's try this one. That looks promising. Okay, good. Let's start designing. We'll upload that same 4-frame run onto here. It has a quality marker as well, which is good. Really nothing special here. Let's save this. But let's publish this anyway. I need to connect a store. You can publish products to your store after you've connected your store to Printull. So let's connect a store. We'll choose our platform. So I'll choose Shopify. Start my free trial. Sign up like usual. Probably want to sell on social media mainly. Do you currently sell on other platforms? No. Print on demand products. You want to select that one. Now, here are Shopify's 3 plans, but if you're not decided yet, go ahead and skip and say I'll decide later. So I'm going to come over to the left here and hit add apps. Get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Why not? Printull. Let's install the Printull app. Okay, awesome. So let's see. Install the Printull app. Connect your store. Let's see how we connect our store. Let's publish our first product. So it's going to be this poster, and 5x7 isn't very large. Now we can select the price of our products and we can see our estimated earnings. So maybe we'll say we'll earn $3 from it because the base price is going to be $5.39. Now for the t-shirt, all sizes. Now, here's what you want to pay attention to: how much you're making and how much your customers are paying. So this is my earnings per size for the 4-frame run t-shirt. This is the retail price, what customers will pay, and here's what I will make. So you can see that Printull is making most of the money, but when you think about the fact that all you have to do is upload the design, they have the t-shirts, they have the materials, they take care of shipping the product for you. Your work will be focused on learning animation, not on selling merchandise. That is the benefit of print on demand. After you've added your billing information, all you have to do next is go into YouTube, Earn, and find the shopping center where you can connect your Shopify store. Afterwards, it'll lead you to download the Google and YouTube app on Shopify so that your products can show up on your YouTube videos. If you're looking for an in-depth tutorial on this, I will link one in the description. Special thanks to Printull for sponsoring this video. I really hope it encourages you to put a note of professionality in your animation practice sessions, because there can be a monetary benefit. With that said, I will see you guys next time. Peace.